Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom ringtones on your iPhones. So what you need for this tutorial is, first you need a computer where you have to download Apple iTunes. Secondly, you need just your USB cable and your iPhone. Okay, let's jump straight to what we're supposed to do. After installing, which I will leave a link down in the description where you can get it. After installing, once you launch it, you'll be presented with the screen like this. So you have to move to Files. You say Add File to Library. Now you select the song from whatever folder it is on your computer. So here it's found under this folder, and this is the song I'm using. So you just have to select the song. So I'll go ahead and select that, and I click Open. Once it opens, if your computer doesn't move here, you come under Songs, right? And you see it here. Now what you want to do next is you click on this Options button. You click on it, you go to Song Info. You move to Options. Now you have to make sure the length of the song you're about to use is within 30 seconds, because Apple ringtones don't go more than 30 seconds. So if it starts at 0, then you should stop at 30. In case where your song has let's say some intro which is for you, then you just have to play it and then you get rid of the portion which has that intro. For example, the real song starts at, let's say, 5 seconds, so you have to put in 0, 5, yeah, and then yeah, there you have to put, now it will be 35. Since from 5 to 35, if you do the subtraction, you'll be left with 30. Okay, so I'm just going to start at 0, 0, and then I'll click OK. Now what you want to do next is you have to create you have to convert this file. So you select the file, you click on Files, you go to Convert, and you click on ACC version. Now they are going to generate an ACC version of this file. Now you click on the ACC version. The one below, which comes at the bottom, is the ACC version. Now you click on this Options button once more and you say Show in Windows Explorer. Now they are going to open the file on your computer where you have this. So what you want to do next is you go to Views and you make sure this box is checked, which says file name extensions. This will enable you see the extensions of your files, so you can exit the extensions. So you go ahead and right click on the file, you say rename. Now you change this M4A to M4R, which is the version for Apple ringtones. So I'm going to hit enter, and I'll click on OK. Now with this set and done, what you want to do next is to connect your computer, your iPhone to your computer. So I'm going to connect mine. Now I've connected my phone, so I just have to wait for it to initialize. Now it's initializing, and when it's done, okay, when it's done, we are going to see it. Now it's fully initialized. That's why I have this dark black. So I'll click on it. You now click on Tones. You now move to the folder where you had the ACC version. This is it. Now I'll drag this into the Tones folder. So you click, you hold, and you drag. Now you drop. You wait for it to synchronize with your computer. Now it's done. With this set and done, I think you should have it installed on your iPhone. So I'll just move straight to my iPhone and show you how it looks like.